guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you 3 business ideas that you can start up right from your home with little investment. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on your notification bell. Comment if there is any question, you can ask me in the comment section and I will answer you immediately. Thanks for doing that. Let's get right into the video. Number one on my list today is about daycare. There are some parents that they are very busy with their works. So because of that, they have little babies, maybe from a year or 6, 7 months. So they want to take those babies to a daycare center so that they can start their work. So you open a daycare center, even if you don't have capital to get a center, you can use your house. Maybe if you're living in a let me say 2 bedroom flat or even 1 bedroom flat, you can use your sitting room for it. All you need is just to design it, buy some teddy bears, children tables, children chairs, and all the rest, that all these teddy bears, things that kids do, like put on a television, put on chat cartoon for them, all those stuff. So you make your signboard for it, make your signboard and keep it around. Even on social media, you can still post it and also paste it around, the street, telling people how good you are in taking care of children, and you need, like, some people do register it. You can also register it, and you have to be kind, for like, you're not the kind of person that gets upset. Like, you're the kind of person that loves kids, you love children, you're the kind of person that can do such kind of business. So you take, like, they pay, some even pay weekly or monthly. You see many people coming around, they'll bring children are everywhere. People are still giving birth. There'll be some self, you even bring all this. If the kids are many, like if you give the kids are many, you can employ someone to assist you. You can employ someone to assist you, and you watch it growing. Before 6 months self, it will go in the way that you go get a big apartment for it or a center for it, anyhow, like a hall for it. Yeah. So you see people bring their kids, and maybe based on when they close their work, maybe by 6 in the evening, they'll come back, pick their kids. Because pick their kids, maybe they don't want house help, or they don't want any house help to take care of their kids at home, or they don't want to bring house help to their home. So they prefer taking their kids to daycare, and once they are back from work, on their way coming back, they'll pick their kids along with them. So daycare business is one of the best business I advise that you go into. And if you love it, you can go make research and more require about it to know it, so you don't just jump into a business you don't have the knowledge. Another one on my list here is mini importation. Mini importation is basically a business whereby you have someone in China, maybe a friend, a trustful someone you trust. You send money to the person will buy goods. Goods in China are very cheap. The person will buy goods for you in China, clothing, foodstuff, whatever. Buy the goods for you in China and ship them to your country, Africa or Nigeria, any country you have. Ship them to your country. When they get to you, you sell them. Even if it's a clothes, you can take the clothes. You can even sell. I do buy clothes from someone that do sell at home. The brother is in China, the brother will ship the clothes to is or even all this okrika, all this new bell second hand. Some has some comes with label, why some doesn't. Shoes, bag, clothes, trouser, tops, gown. The brother will ship them to her, and once she receive the goods, she the day she will open bear at her house, come and see people. People will start buying. Other people will be hearing, where did you buy your clothes? This place. And the ones that will remain, if she did not sell it finish, in the evening she do take it to some even markets around outside. The evening should just take it to even markets, streets, all this junction, them, all this junction. Should take it to all this junction, just spread something on the ground, pour them and start selling them that evening. That's how she do. When the goods before the goods will finish, she will send back money to the brother, and the brother will buy and import again. That's how she sell, and that's the business she run. And she do you know the kind of profit she make out of it? So that's number two business idea that you can do, that you can do. Selling things that many importation. Someone you trust, you'll be sending money to the person over there in China, and the person will be buying the goods and sending to you. Another business idea, the third one on my list today, is this Ajebota app. This app is all about once you have a handwork, any kind of skill you have, you get go to the Play Store, download the app, sign up, like register, fill in your details, fill in any kind of skill you have. Even if you don't have a skill, let me use sewing for example. You don't know how to sew. You sign up here. You can go to there after signing up. If there is a if there is any person, a client that needs your servicing, people comes to Ajibota like, hey, if there's any client that needs your servicing, the person will require your servicing in that app. So the person will then you get the person will get the person's phone number in the app, then the person will tell you, then you can now phone the person will not tell you, this is what I want you to do for me. Are you a tailor? You say yes, you're a tailor. Okay, person will say, I want you to make such kind of dress for me, or this is the picture, I will send the picture of the dress to you on WhatsApp. I want you to make such kind of dress for me, and I will be sending my material to you. I'm in so area. I'll be webbing my material to you. And how much will you use to make this clothes? You check the dress. Once the person send the picture, you take the picture to a nearby tailor shop. Show the tailor the picture. Say how much will you use to make this dress? If the tailor say I will use 3,000 or for there is some tellers that they are like they are so desperate for work, they're looking for work, and they know their work, they know how to work, but they are looking for customers. So you give the person, can you make this dress? The person say yes, I can make it. How much will you use to make this dress? I will use such amount, even if it's 3 5 or 4,000 to make it. If it's a gown, you say okay, or even a senator for men, you take it, like you go back to that person, tell the person that you make this dress for like 7,000 or 10,000 or lesser, any amount. So depending where the person is coming for you, like, so when the person webbing the material to you, you take that material and her webbing the material to you with her measurement. You take the material with her measurement to that tailor shop, take the material, but you will know that that tailor knows how to sew well to avoid spoiling the material. You take the material and that measurement to the person's shop, and the tailor will make that dress. After making the dress, the tailor now you pay the tailor the 3 5, and you send the dress back to the person. You get your money. If it's 7,000, person will send you your 7,000, and you give the tailor 3,000. You making 4,000 naira profit in something you did not even work for. like you did not even labor for it. You did not work or labor for it. This is what this is all about Ajibota. Any skill you have, you can register. Once you register, you put your skill and you will get, like, once client comes, they like you, they need your servicing. If it's making hair, mechanic, fixing of nail, carpenter, building house, any skill you have, any skill you know how to do, you put it here. So you get clients from here. So this is it for today's video. Please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking this video, commenting if there's any question, and turn on your notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and comment. Please subscribe for more business ideas videos.